big money mod. So yeah, we about to go ahead and get that shit cracking right now. So when I get there, I will basically show y'all what's going on. But I'm not gonna give you a sneak peek. Hey, we're gonna get into this video. See y'all there. All right, so we just put the car in the shop. We're gonna go ahead and get started working. I'm gonna go ahead and just go like a 360 around the car. Pretty much show y'all what it's currently looking like now, and then process in between, not too much, but we're gonna show y'all little snippets of everything going in and out, and then finally we're gonna show y'all the ending of everything. So here we go.
It won't be a strip no more.
Oh, you got jokes. So this is how it looks now. Hey, it looks black in here for real.
It looks great.
It looks black. He want to play jokes because he got ceramic coat on his shit. So currently this is the ride height. Hint, us giving it away what we doing. This is current ride height. This is currently how it looks right now. So when we're done, god damn, who started playing the music? Which I see right now. You bitch! Hoe ass nigga.
What's the zip code here, bro?
77043.
Currently what we're looking like. What's on it right now is gonna be stripped off, by the way.
Yeah.
Right now we're getting the guts out.
77043.
I don't know about y'all, but I'm excited. This shit dirty to be a 2020. What the fuck?
What car is dirty?
Nah, the whole car ain't dirty. You keep just, hey, I'm not gonna get the ceramic, but I'm not gonna get the ceramic. We're gonna do something though.
The face is ceramic. Still good.
Huh?
The face is ceramic. It's cheap.
There's no point once I wrap.
Oh yeah, you can get the wrap.
Cause then I'm gonna have to back door and do the ceramic again on top of the wrap. Huh?
The secret is out.
It's just a wrap. They don't know what color I'm going. You gotta watch out, bro. You can't be giving hints on the wrap because motherfuckers in Houston be stealing. First person to get these, literally 2 days later somebody get it. First person to get the one with the red eyes. The next day somebody had them. Hey, you just reminded me. Tail lights, man. Y'all don't even want to know how many people trying to steal my damn tail lights. These things are sick though. Y'all can't see it because it's dark right now. Car is dirty, yes, I know. 5-inch tips. I ain't worrying about the license plate, that's gonna go away. As soon as the tax office, the registration office, whatever it's called, open up, those plates are going away. This car getting some work done right now. Y'all stay tuned. This Mustang getting bagged too as well. This car got bagged already. Right now we're working with the lights and some other stuff. Mustang getting bagged.
I think it was 30 or 40.
We're gonna put it on pause
Something like that.
because we ain't gonna get all them details, but yeah. All right, y'all, I'm about to get to work. So see y'all later.
Right here.
Yeah, it's basically that's the whole stuff.
Yeah, I'm gonna do the whole.
You got the brothers in the shop together. That California squat.
Everything was good.
Yeah. Except for where it touched you right now. Like that.
Ooh, y'all wait, coming soon. Alright guys, so it's all hands on deck. We got the Hellcat getting the paint correction done on the bumper. The car is already done. You got finishing touches right here. We got all hands on deck for, basically you already watching this video, so obviously you already know what's going on. We're about to go with the airbags on the wide body. So yeah, it's all hands on deck. If you can't come and get bags and get them done in the same day, y'all at the wrong shop. Audio Boss Houston. If you can't get your bags done in one day, y'all at the wrong damn shop. Got everybody pitching in. Everybody pitching in, bro. This is how we take care of our customers. I'm not a customer, but still. This is what we call customer service. You come to Audio Boss, this is how we take care of you. When you get touched by Audio Boss, you get that boss treatment, you get the decals. Sneak peek. Y'all just stay tuned.
Get open the plastic.
Hey, so when you ceramic coat the wheels, does it help with the brake dust?
Yeah.
Yep.
And I tell people, you get brake dust on there, like as we've seen with the Hellcat,
Yeah.
but it's easy to clean off. Like I just take a dry towel and clean it.
So basically, this is dirty one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this, yeah, that's
So,
that's
like,
dirty
you
as
gotta
hell.
actually work it versus me going over to the Hellcat, and I can literally just take one swipe and clear up this whole area.
Come here, Luna. You gonna snip the hell out this camera, huh? Is it safe? Come here. Come here. Come here. It's the guard dog for Audio Boss.
Did I leave the blade out here? Oh yeah, I did.
You a big baby. Mm-hmm. You a big baby. Why you licking my neck?
You know, be careful, she'll start sucking on your earlobe.
What?
Like that puppy thing, she still has that thing where she wants to like suck on videos like porn.
Oh, this is a big girl. I find it weird that all dogs do this. Be stretching that back leg out. Look back at me for what? Got a Frenchie. Oh. Okay, time to turn it off. Alright, so basically we're still using the factory struts, right?
To keep your factory dummy.
Yeah. What he said.
People asking me.
Hey, I don't know how to do all this. I'm just letting you be the be you and show me how to do it.
System.
So this is the backs. This is the factory suspension. I have a 392 wide body, so it's the adaptive. Damn, this battery about to die too. I just heard this.
Cameraman.
Y'all, I forgot about poor little Chris over here. she behind the shop, behind the works. Hey man, tire stickers, they take some work. Oh, here come the giggles. She shot one. One. She said, "Oh, you recording?" Hey, y'all ever thought about tire stickers? Don't buy the cheap brand. You gotta go with what's that? Tirestickers.com, right?
I prefer brands tire stickers, yeah.
It's a lot easier to work with and they last longer. Y'all getting these cheap ass tire stickers saying, "Can y'all do them?" They take longer. We've been working on this car for a minute now, and she's still on this one tire, so not a bad thing, but we got quality going into it. It's not cheap. You get them done right, they last longer. This should look good too.
I'm gonna take my time, make sure it stays.
Oh yeah, we coming, we coming. By the way, if you come and get your tire stickers done, do not put what's that shit called?
Tire shine.
Tire shine, Armor All. Cause we still gotta clean it, but it's still gonna take a lot longer to clean. So y'all be coming up here, I gotta go wash my car, put the tire shine on there. That's more work for us. Don't do it. It's a big no-no.
It'll ruin your tire stickers.
Yeah, it's gonna ruin your tire stickers for shit show. And you're like gonna make her mad cause now she gotta clean it. But she will be doing all the tire stickers. She's the one behind the scenes on that part.
What Crystal say?
Huh?
What Crystal say?
Oh, I have put she said, "You recording?" I said, "Yeah." She said, "Oh." I said, "There she go being shy again." Man, don't worry about the lights. They're gonna go away, man. Hey. Funny story. I actually messed up on the spelling. It was supposed to be, shit, I can't pronounce it right now. What was it supposed to be again?
Scattina?
Yeah, there you go, Scattina. But I messed up, so we're gonna change the name real quick. Big Scattina, real quick. So, if you ever ask, how did I get the name? That's how I got the name. All right, so we're about to cut the wood.
I think the dog wanna go out, bro.
Don't say moving
If I was like 3 inches taller.
He was about to be pissed.
So I'm gonna show y'all how it's gonna be set up. I can't even check the trunk. So basically, don't mind all this shit.
I would take it out. I gotta put it in the back seat.
Which ones?
All this shit.
Oh, okay. Shit. I need to get some of that. So basically, this is the same setup that I'm gonna go with. So you're gonna have the management in the middle with the 2 compressors and the tanks on the side.
Right there.
What draining thing?
Right here where you drain
yeah.
the tanks.
So the draining thing is gonna be right there.
I don't know what it's called, but I just said draining thing.
The tube that you drain the air out of. There you go. Oh, it's right here.
No, oh yeah, that's a turn. No, that's the thing. No,
Oh, it's the same thing.
It's this part right here.
Okay. But yeah, this is gonna be my setup. I did not get them powder coated.
These ones came painted already.
Yeah, these are they don't do they come like this?
Not anymore. They don't sell it anymore.
So they don't sell them like this. If you want to get your tanks painted or colored, you actually got to do it yourself. Mine are going to be the seamless, so it's not going to be done. It's going to be the raw material.
He was right there all the
I
time.
didn't see him.
You didn't see him. We all saw him doing it.
Maybe I was already
So-
over there.
If you know me, you know I get a lot of screws. Nico decided to put a joke on my shit. I don't know if y'all can see it. I got a nail in my shit. You gonna put insert screw. What you said?
Insert screw
What that say?
here. H-E-R-E.
Oh, he separated it.
Yeah, because of the gap.
Yeah, he's a funny guy. All right, Nico. Alright guys, so right now we're going to pretty much wrap the template and the black carpets. So that's what you guys about to see. So it's pretty much gonna look like the black material in here. Even though my tanks are not painted yet, we're on crunch time right now, so we're just going to put the tanks in as of now, or as is, and then we're going to backdoor and get it powder coated. What Pikachu at? Why your shirt so damn tight?
First of all, my shirt ain't looking tight, stupid.
No, in the video it looked tight as hell. You was like this.
About the same size.
You was like, no, he's smaller than me. So the first tire is already done. Bust it down, Scattina. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, right now we're putting air through the tubes to check the direction of where the air is going.
Tell people you blowing them.
Huff and puff, Jay.
I'm physically not doing it.
Fucking what? Stupid.
We got our dedicated volunteer, Lewis, blowing in the tubes for the air.
He ain't got the lungs for that.
That's why he pink right now. I had this history teacher. Every time he was, bitch, I was recording.
Easy part.
Yeah, we're gonna put the hoses on the bag. What the fuck am I
You
looking
laying
at?
that pipe.
Wow.
Putting that pipe in that hose. Remember I was telling you about how it goes?
Nah, you didn't tell me shit about that.
It's in the earlier video. It's in the earlier video.
So the air is tested. We know exactly. Man, get that shit off my head, bro. That shit felt weird. We said technically we really said 11:30.
I knew that once we start eating, I'm like,
Yeah, it's gonna be a while.
I was like,
Niggas ate. Got some soda. Hey, it's a Jack stand right there, bro.
he didn't even want to drink that soda. He was like, I don't even drink that. Then I was like, it's enough tea over there. He said, oh.
It's still over there?
Nah, he drank it.
Look, Cuddy got the cutter on.
Cutter on a cutter?
I got it. Hold on.
Let me see that cut shit. I'm gonna be like conceited.